Are you ready to take your cooking game to the next level? The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer, equipped with the groundbreaking Element IQ system, is here to transform your kitchen into a culinary haven. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into why this appliance is a game changer, explore its advanced features, and unveil how it can elevate your cooking experience. Buckle up and get ready to discover a world of culinary possibilities. Unleash 11 smart cooking functions, including air fry. Number 1. Air fry. Crispy, guilt-free indulgence is just a button away. Enjoy French fries, chicken wings, and more cooked to perfection with less oil and more flavor. Number 2. Super convection. Say goodbye to long cook times. Super convection technology reduces cooking time by up to 30%, making your meals faster and more delicious. Number 3. Element IQ system. The secret behind the smart oven's precision. It employs 5 independent quartz elements and smart algorithms to ensure every dish is cooked evenly with no cold spots. Number 4. Dedicated air fry setting. Achieve the golden, crispy texture you crave. Higher temperatures, combined with super convection, guarantee your air-fried creations are crunchy and delightful. Number 5. Versatile cooking functions. This countertop marvel boasts 11 cooking functions, ensuring you're equipped to handle any recipe. From toasting to slow cooking, it covers all your culinary needs. But wait, there's more. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer doesn't just promise culinary excellence, it delivers on its promises. Here's why it stands out. Number 1. Precision beyond compare. Thanks to the Element IQ system, this oven knows exactly where to direct power, ensuring your food is cooked precisely and uniformly. Number 2. Air frying revolution. Enjoy your favorite fried treats without the guilt. The dedicated air fry setting combined with super convection means healthier, crispier results. Number 3. Time efficiency. Super convection technology doesn't just enhance flavor, it also reduces cooking time. Say hello to quicker meals without compromising on quality. Number 4. Multifunctional wonder. This appliance is a true multitasker. From toasting your morning bagel to slow cooking a hearty stew, it handles it all effortlessly. Number 5. User-friendly design. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is intuitive and easy to use, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned chefs. Say goodbye to the days of uneven cooking, waiting for ages for your meals to be ready, and indulging in greasy fried foods. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is here to revolutionize your kitchen experience. Join the culinary revolution today and unlock the full potential of your cooking skills. Upgrade your kitchen with the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer and elevate every meal to gourmet status.